At just 23 years old, Gabriela Morris made history as the youngest senator to be appointed to the upper house in Jamaica. Born in 1997 in Montego Bay, Morris is a shining example of youth leadership and determination. A native of Montego Bay, St. James, Morris is a past student of the Montego Bay High. Her educational background laid the foundation for her future in politics. As a member of the People's National Party (PNP), Morris was appointed to the Senate of Jamaica in 2020. This appointment not only marked a significant milestone in her career, but also paved the way for younger generations to pursue politics. Morris' appointment was part of a record-breaking 38% women soaring into the Senate. Her presence in the upper house represents a shift towards greater diversity and representation in Jamaican politics. As a young senator, Morris brings a fresh perspective to the table. Her experience and passion for politics will undoubtedly contribute to shaping Jamaica's future. In conclusion, Senator Gabriela Morris is an inspiration to many, demonstrating that age is not a barrier to making a difference in politics. Her achievements serve as a testament to the power of youth leadership and determination.